another beautiful day. We are going to Melissa's house for just a small family birthday party, or should I call it a get together? Yeah, something like that. So we're going there, and obviously I'm vlogging, guys, and I'll just show you guys what it's like. It's just an indoor activity, and yeah, hopefully we're going to have fun. No, I know we're going to have fun. So guys, let's go there. Come on, let me close the door. It's not a picture, it's a video. So guys, we're finally here. My son, I don't know what's happening to my son today. He's just crying. He has been crying, eh? Oh God. But yeah, we're here for a party. Say hello. Hello. Good job. That's grandma and baby. So guys, we are finally here. I want to give my joy today, but devil is a liar. So he has been crying. Hey, see the mama here. Woo! Hey.
Strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning.
How about we don't play as you? Are you ready?
Peter, I don't mind it.
Hey, catch it! Mama! You go collect
honestly, because it's not easy.
The next day.
Guys, I'm not going to lie, we had fun at Melissa's place. If you're watching this video and you are in the UK, I'll advise you, when people invite you for occasion, for parties, indoor or outdoor activities, just go out if you can, but just go out, mingle, meet people, laugh. Like, we cannot kill ourselves because we don't always see this type of small parties all the time. I'm telling you the truth, because you all know what it is. People are busy and coupled with the weather, so go out whenever you can. That's my advice. Let me go to my original office and complete this video. Today's video is sponsored by WINBAGS. Guys, if you're looking for copies of designer bags, WINBAGS has got you covered. It's a short plug. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my bag. This is Hami's bag, and also my Nike trainers. Thank you so much, WINBAGS, for sending this product to me. Thank you so much. I love them. Obviously, I have opened them. I was not able to leave them, but yeah, today I'm going to be doing the review. I'm going to be giving you guys my honest review on this product. So voila, this is the bag. I went for this particular bag because I feel like I have lots of black bags, yes. So I wanted something a little bit like brown and all of that. So yeah, I decided to go for this bag. And this is beautiful, honestly speaking. Thank you so much, WINBAGS. So if you're looking for a copies, like replicants of designer bags, and you don't want to spend a lot, I mean, like, designer bags are very expensive. I want to get a copy of that designer bag. Just go check out WINBAGS. WINBAGS have got lots of beautiful copies of bags. All you need to do is go click on the link on the description below that I'm going to leave you guys to check them out. So you can see on the website the kind of beautiful bags they have. Any type of bag. They sell jewelries, they sell clothes. Like, if I just mentioned, check out their website. I so much love this bag. It's not too big. I love the size. And let me open it. This is beautiful leather. Honestly, I love everything about this bag. This is what the bag looks like. Can you guys see it? Yes. And it has a belt. So let's say you don't want to use the smaller handle. All you need to do is to go for this and just put it. It's simple. I don't know why. For me, I just like the longer handle, like this one. I like to use this one a lot. I use it a lot. So you just put it here, and yeah, you're good to go. And this is the design thing, you know. So I have to fix all of this. Fix it to the bag, but I'm going to do that behind the camera. Ooh, it has got the key. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Okay. Anyways, I'm going to do that behind the camera. So yes, if you're looking for designer bags and you cannot afford one, just check out on WINBAGS. They've got lots of copies of bags, and I'm sure you're going to love their bags. Honestly, this bag is beautiful. It's a pure leather, and I love the finishing. This finishing is so smooth. Some bags you see some rope, you see some, you know, stuff like that, but with this particular one, honestly, I love this finishing. I can't even complain at all. I'm not going to complain. So it's worth the price. You can check out on their website. You're going to see different bags of your choice. So yes, let's go to the next one, which is the trainers. Voila. So I've got with me Nike. So yes, I'm going to show you guys my trainers. Oh my god, I am super excited. This is the receipt. Okay guys, I so much love these trainers, honestly. Voila guys, here is my trainer. So are you looking for a copy of Nike trainers and you cannot afford one? Go check out on WINBAGS. You're going to see beautiful trainers there, guys. I love these trainers, honestly. I love the color, and you can see it has everything. You can see the Nike, so it's pure copy. Like, if you're looking for any copy of any designer product, like I mentioned earlier, either bag, trainers, glasses, dress, shirts, shoe, check out their website. Honestly, WINBAGS has got it covered. I am going to leave all that you need to know about this company on the description below for those of you interested. And if you know anyone that might be interested, please check on the description below. You're going to see all that you need to know about this company. And to be honest, this trainers is everything. I so much love these trainers. Like, I love the color. I love this trainer. It's superb. Do you know what is superb? Don't mind me, guys. It's beautiful. That's just what I'm trying to say. Honestly, it's beautiful. So you've got nothing to lose. Just go check out their website. You'll definitely see something for yourselves. So yes, that is it for WINBAGS.
The next day.
Hi guys, good morning. How are you all doing? So this is 8:50. I think around 8:50 or 8:40. I don't know, but yes, I'm going to work, and I decided to vlog. So it's not like my usual place of work. It's not my regular kind of work, because at the moment I do night because I've got 2 kids now. So I'm trying to balance it in a way where like I can, you know, work, and my husband will also work. So I do 3 nights where I work. But the good thing about my place of work is that they've got different branch. Do you understand? So they've got one branch here close to my house. It's a few minutes. I think it's 10 minutes walk from my house. You can see I'm walking now. You guys will be surprised when I say I'm here already. It's just down the corner. So I don't know if it's up to 10 minutes, or should I even say 7 minutes walk. So it's 7 minutes walk from my house. I'm thinking, or should I say I'm considering to transfer to that place. So the manager asked me to come today so that we'll discuss if I'll be able to work there. What we're going to discuss today is like if she's going to accept me for night shift, you know, because that's what I want and that is what I can do at the moment. So I am hoping that she will feel like, okay, it's fine. So I'm working there 9 to 3 and also to get to see the residents. That's the clients there. The good thing about that place is that all the clients can do things themselves. They've got 6 residents, I think. So I really want to work there, honestly, because it's very close to my house. As I'm talking to you guys now, I've got 4 minutes to go. Can you imagine? So if not because like I don't want to keep talking, honestly speaking, I would have been talking till I get there, because it's not even up to 10 minutes. I used to say 10 minutes, but it's not up to 10 minutes walk. And if you know how to walk fast, 5 minutes. So yes, that's what I'll be discussing today. I just pray that she accepts the fact that, you know, I can just do night. I can manage to do day. That's like Saturday. If my husband is not working, I can manageably do day. But aside from it, to be difficult for me to do day. That's just it. So yeah, that is just it. Can you see that building? That's another care home. But obviously I don't want to work there. It's not even far from my house, but it's a care home because I don't have strength for care homes. Care homes can be so hard there, and I don't even know how many residents they have there. So yeah, I'm just walking. So I'm almost there, guys. I told you guys it's not even up to 10 minutes. So guys, let me show you guys something. So that is where I'm going to walk down there, because when I get there I'll have to end this vlog, and just down here is my house. So can you see what I'm trying to say? That is literally a few minutes walk from my house. So I'm going to end the vlog obviously because I'm not allowed to vlog at work. Can you see how close? That is the reason why I really want to work here, but I don't know. 2 years ago I did apply to transfer here, but the manager asked me to do like a sleep in, yeah, something like that. But I told her that I can't do it because that time I was not even living in this area. And she said, okay, when they need just night or just day, we'll let you know, because I think that time I just want just day because I've got just one daughter then, and it didn't work out. But now that I live in this area now, I really want to work here, honestly. Let's see how it goes. So guys, I'm here already. I don't know if I'll see you guys in 6 hours or I'll see you guys later. Peace.
2,000 years later.
So guys, I'm done with the I don't know what to call it, so because it's shifts. So I'm done there, but I'm just hoping that the manager is going to accept me, and if she accepts me, I'll be super happy. Honestly, I'll be so happy because I really want to work there, and like I said, it's not far from where I live. So now I'm going to town to get some stuff. So I'm going to African store. So obviously I'm going to be vlogging and show you guys what I'm getting today. So I'm done for today. So my shift was 9 to 3, which is how many hours? 6 hours shift. So it was 6 hours shift. I see you guys later.
What if our love is alive? What if our hearts still beat in time? Don't you just wanna find out? Come on, let's take that climb. We can fall in love, we can fall in love, we can fall in love again.
So guys, now I am in the African store. This is I think the owner is a Jamaican, yeah, but yeah, it's an African store anyways. We used to have just this one and one other one in Huddersfield Town before. This was the only 2 stores we had in 2018, but now we've got a lot. Like we've got like 4 or 5 now, but the owners are Asian people, like Pakistan people. Those people are the real business owners in this country. Like they are everywhere. These Pakistan people, they are everywhere. Anyways, this is what the store looks like. They're selling different varieties of things here. So yeah.
Oh, look who is here. Oh my god, how many? Who is here? Hello. Hello. Look at you. Really sweetheart. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at me. How are they calling me?
Well, I'm here instead of me to do shopping. I'm gisting. So our guy is there shopping. So yeah, let me continue my gisting, guys. one okay?
Yeah.
This one is £8.65.
Check no.
No, I'm just saying that it's £8.65. Is that what you guys used to buy it?
Yeah, I'm sure. Anyone.
Is there anyone that is cheaper? Maybe that this one is very expensive. So this one.
Young flower.
Is this one okay?
It's okay.
I just wanted to know because I'm not going to negotiate. I'm not saying that you did
See. What would you rather do this girl? Yeah.
How many is that? Does it go with the deal?
That is my husband on the background. So he was just laughing at me because I was eating the potato chips. I mean, plantain chips. He was like, wait now, don't eat these chips. Let her scan it. But I say it's still the same thing because she will still scan it anyways. Guys, today is a very long day for me. Since 9 o'clock, this is what our life is like in the UK. From work, I finished 3 o'clock. I went shopping. Now I'm waiting for my husband because he went to pick up, he went to get Heineken. Guys, I don't know why African food is expensive. Oh. Look at total cost. Can you see £42? That's more thing I bought. It was literally just, fish and what stuff? Fish, I think. And I don't even know, but it was not much, but the total cost there, it will shock you. And carton of Indomie, because we have to pay separately for carton of Indomie. Carton of Indomie here is £13.99, so approximately £14. So if you're watching this, how much is carton of Indomie in your location? Like, things have become very expensive here. In fact, not just things, I feel like African food stores are expensive. I don't know why, but I need to do a pure African shopping, like pure African food stuff shopping, so that you guys will see what it's like a monthly shopping for a family of 5. I'm going to be doing that. More African food is expensive. It's very expensive. I know people back home are also complain that things are expensive, but here sometimes I'll be like, now wow. This carton of Indomie, I know it was not £14 before, but now it's £14. Let me go home and rest. Today is a long day. Now I'm just lucky that my mom is around, so the kids are home. If she's not around, maybe I probably must have dropped my son somewhere, and then I would have been going there to go and pick him up after picking him, because when I left for shift, my husband also went to work, so it's just not easy. Life in the UK is hard work when you have kids, honestly speaking, but what can we do? We're still surviving. We're surviving, and we are going to still be surviving. Yes, we are surviving. It's not easy. I'll see you guys later.